Welcome back to another Batchguru update. Today we're talking about exporting data by mirroring original folder structure. Now, I usually hate when people ask for this. It seems very unnecessary, and the folder structure you can get at the end is really long, and sometimes you can have a number of issues with it, but people do want that option. And today I want to share with you a tool that I have modified to accommodate such request. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you what I did. So here we are in Relativity, and I'm going to go to Batchguru and I'm going to select Production Exporter Pro. So this is the only tool that has this option. The regular Production Exporter does not have an option to mirror folder structure. And when we create a new batch, you'll see a new option has been added here, which is called Folder Tree. What we can do here is select a field that contains our folder tree that we're going to use as a destination, right? So if we have folder 1, subfolder 2, subfolder 3, these are the folders that will be created when data is exported. One thing we can do is we can run a script to save our existing folder tree to a field and then select that here. We can also specify how we want to name our files. This feature we already had, but we can choose either to name files by Bates number, right? So we have it as we produced, or we can use original file name. So example of this would be client says, okay, I want a PDF production, but I want to receive files in the same folder structure as original and same file names. The only thing I want is the Bates number on the bottom. Now, again, I think it's not a great idea to do that. You're better off including cross-reference file with a normal export, but this is what you can do now. So you can select file name as the file name field. Folder tree, you can pick whatever field contains that folder structure. So your workspace will probably be different. Now, this feature is only supported for PDFs and native files, which is really only what we need it for, because if we try to do this for images, it would just be too crazy, and I never heard of it being done that way anyway. So that's the Production Exporter Pro. It now gives you ability to export documents, preserving a folder tree that is stored in a field. Of course, each record will have a different path, and that's the path that will be mirrored for export. And yes, before you ask, this does support long file names, so you can export so many folders that you wouldn't even be able to access it. All right, that's a quick update on what I've changed in new version of Batchguru. Thank you for checking out this update. Any questions, comments, please contact me. Thank you.